Hello, my name's Linda. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to Whiz Bang Wednesday. So Whiz Bang Wednesday is about us making a quick card that does not compromise on style. Now I don't have one to show you today because I'm going to make it as we film. So what I've done is I've just got a piece of half of an A4 Whisper white cardstock, which I've scored at 10.5, and that's going to be our base. And I'm going to be using the new DSP, and this is the Subtles range. It's a 6x6, and it comes in stripes and spots. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to be using the Pear Pizzazz. So I've cut it down, so small dots on one side, stripes on the other side, and I'm going to use the stripes. And I've just cut it so it's just a tiny bit smaller than your card base. And then with the other piece at the end, I'm going to turn it over and we're going to stick it to the end. So let's do that first. This is such a good DSP set because the spots and stripes, they're just so versatile. So I'm just going to slide that onto one end. I find it easier to do this, to construct this piece before I stick it onto my card base. Okay, and now we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Obviously, let's move this to one side. I'm going to be using All the Good Things stamp set, which I love, and I'm going to be using this little tree on this occasion. So I've got a piece of Whisper white here, and I've cut this at 3x4. I'm just going to bring in the stamp apparatus, and I've already mounted my stamp up, and I'm just going to put this in here, and I'm going to be using Pear Pizzazz ink. So let's ink him up, and this stamp set is excellent because it's one of the distinctive stamp sets, so it stamps brilliantly. I'm just going to ink that up again. Great, let's move that to one side. Put my ink away. That is all the stamping we're going to be doing. So I also have a piece of Pear Pizzazz cardstock, and this is, what did I cut this at? 4.5 by 3.5, and I'm going to put this on top of this. So this is a very quick, simple card, but while I'm making it, I'm actually thinking it might step up quite nicely as well. So I might do a video where I step it up, make it a bit jazzier. Let's bring in this piece, and I'm just going to stick that to the front. Need the glue, don't know why I put that away. I'm filming very early in the morning, which I don't usually do, and I found that where I normally film, which is in my little studio, where the sun's coming in, I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see my camera, so hopefully I'm still in picture. And then all we're going to do is stick this to the base of our card. Obviously you can do this in any colour. You could use one of the other colours. For this I just went for Pear Pizzazz because it was a tree. There we go. Finished card. Very quick, very easy, and I think I quite like it. It looks good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye.